Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is for Windows Inside on the fast ring. This is 17746 and getting much closer to the final version of Redstone 5. Build string still here, you can see at the bottom there. But other than that, it's looking very close. There's a lot of fix of this. I'll fire up the Windows blog and I'll show you. So they fixed an narrator issue. They fixed an issue with Windows Mixed Reality where the controllers would need repairing. This has been going on for quite some time, so it's good to see that's fixed. They fixed some language issues, and they've removed a feature of this where you could name the tabs you set aside in Microsoft Edge. I think that will come back in the 19H1 builds, but it's gone from Redstone 5 for now as they're getting ready for release. There's still a couple of known issues which will stop this from shipping. You've still got the issues where you get a crash if you log out your user profile, shutting down your PC. Still some ease of access issues and a narrator issue, but other than that, it's looking really good. I found these recent builds to be very stable. This one appears to be stable as well. Everything is working on there. I've got this on multiple devices and it's all looking really good. So a lot of progress done on Redstone 5. I'm looking forward to getting the release of this soon. Probably the end of September maybe for insiders, and October for the public release. Thanks for watching this video. More on thedigitalLifestyle.com.